Hello, good day viewers. You're welcome to today's class. If this is your first time coming across my video, kindly subscribe. I am Aisha Bende. So we're going to continue with the series of NECO 2024 essay questions in mathematics. Today we shall look at question 3B, which reads: the interior angle of a hexagon are x plus 5 degrees, 2x plus 4 degrees, x plus 10 degrees, 2x plus 2 degrees, 3x plus 2 degrees, and x plus 15 degrees. So we are required to find the value of x. So as you can see, this is a hexagon. And we know that for hexagon, the number of sides, n, is equal to what? 6, right? So what we do first is to find we're going to find the sum of interior angle of a hexagon. Okay, so to do that, we're going to use the formula, which is n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So n here is the 6, so we have 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180. 6 minus 2 gives us 4 times 180, so gives us the value of 720 degrees. So now we've gotten the sum of the interior value of hexagon, which is 720 degrees. Now, for us to get the value of x, all we need to do is to take the sum of all the angles of given, okay, and we equate it to the what? To the value we got here, which is a 720. So we have x plus 5 plus the next one, 2x plus 4 plus x plus 10 plus 2x plus 2 plus 3x plus 2 plus x plus 15. This is equal to 720 degrees. Now let's collect like terms. Let's bring all the values of x together. We have x plus 2x plus x plus 2x plus 3x plus x. So let's take the coefficients. We have 5, so we have plus 5 plus 4 plus 10 plus 2 plus 2 plus 15 equal to 720 degrees, right? X plus 2x is 3x plus x 4x plus 2x 6x plus 3x 9x plus x. So we have 10x plus 5 plus 4 is 9 plus 10 19 plus 2 21 plus 2 23 23 plus 15 38 is equal to 720 degrees. So let's collect like terms here. We have 10x is equal to 720 minus 38. So we have 10x is equal to 682. So we divide both sides by 10 to get the value of x. So x is equal to 680. So 10 cancels 10 here. 682 divided by 10 gives us 68.2. So this is the value for x. Okay, just as simple as that. So we will see you in my next video. I'm Aisha Bende. Don't forget to subscribe to my page. See you in my next video. Bye for now.